Welcome to the Fifth Ave Volkswagen Service Department. My name is Winston, and I've been managing our service team for the past few weeks in dog time, so about 2 days in human time. Don't worry, I really know my stuff. In fact, our team has an awesome special this April that I wanted to share with you guys. Just follow me. Very funny, Mr. Video Editor. From now until the end of April, you can receive our Supreme Spring Tire Care Service. This awesome service package includes a seasonal tire rotation and balance, and a 4-wheel alignment and 1 season of tire storage for $199. That's a $329 value for $199. If you are interested in taking advantage of this awesome tire care service, click the link in our description or give us a call today. Well, that's it for now, but before you go, let me give you one kiss.